Aquí en el barco estamos viendo una verdadera princesa.
And run someone else's life around. No need to wish upon a star. I've got a magical repertoire. There lies that time is reversed. There is one condition to reveal. Should Cindy still end up with her parents, you will all be cursed for the rest of your lives. The usual price will come when Cindy's perfect life. They are not to be a perfect life. On and cast your spell, remember faith. Cinderella plays her battle. But baby and the mom. Give a call. It's never too late. It's never too late. It's never too late. It's never too late. It's time to rewrite! Please, have some patience!
Impossible! The girl who fits that slipper is the love of my life. I'm lost without her.
With all due respect, sire, the only thing you know for certain about this maiden is the size of her foot. Though until last week you were consumed with the courting of the Baroness d'Amboise.
Oh, yes,
and before that it was the Duchess Dulac, and the Countess de Camille, and the Princess of Yonderland. What is any different about this one girl?
The difference is that I love...
Really believe I fell in love with her at first sight? Oh, heavens no.
What exactly is your point?
Any maiden in the kingdom is yours for the taking, sire. Or simply choose.